A different kind of journey unfolds for us. Our nomadic adventure of seeing as many places as we can, what we call quick travel, no longer exists. This is our second time west.
Moments like these are the ones that you gotta freeze the frame, experience over and over.
We're embracing the lure of slow travel, where the journey itself is now the destination. 2 years ago, we were out west for the first time. The amount of miles and locations we covered were quite high.
Look at that moss!
But this time, we're slowing down. Now this is a different type of travel. Spending more than just a couple days in one area, you can start to learn more about that area in greater depths.
This hike is taking a while because there's so many cool things to see, but we've made it to the most treacherous part. Seeing how we can get across this river if we can without getting all sopped and wet. There's some rough stuff. Pole vault.
So many pretty areas everywhere you turn around.
You're able to explore the nooks and crannies that only a slower pace can unveil. But let's just say we didn't make it across. Something that we didn't realize is when you stay longer, it feels more like home. You get to know the roads, the grocery store. You can re-explore a certain path, a certain overlook. You can go back and visit and see if the wildlife is hanging out in their home ground again. The trees, the flowers, the roads, the animals, that becomes home with you. There are many different challenges to living nomadically, and one of the biggest self-inflicted cons that we are seeing from many is the feeling of always having to go and be somewhere else. To see this and that, it leads many to burnout. In our nomadic journey, we are redefining the meaning of full-time travel for us, proving that sometimes the road less traveled is the most rewarding. We never realized when we set off on this trip that it would surpass a year, and it's now gone from being a trip to being our everyday life. And by slowing down, it allows full-time travel to be sustainable in both costs and energy. We found when moving less, we were able to get more into a routine. And I don't know about you, but routine makes things in life run a bit smoother. Helps create those stepping stones to getting to your next goals. Helps you to know when to do what and somewhat know what to expect for tomorrow. When we feel a touch of sadness at leaving an area, or feel a hint of yearning and remembrance of an area, we know that we spent our time well there and created a connection to that place. So life on the road looks a little bit different now these days, in so many good ways. I can tell you, by slowing down, we have unveiled so many hidden pockets of beauty that would otherwise probably gone unnoticed.
Just taking a little bit of an evening walk, and I literally can't even believe these views right now. Oh my word. Sun is setting, or I should say the sun has set, but wow. The clouds rained a little bit ago, so it's a little bit muddy and stuff. But as you can see, a little bit of pinkish, We got the wildflowers, the mountains, the beautiful trees. Man, gorgeous.
So this is how we're spending our second time west.